Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to multiply each pair of binomials displayed on the screen and 6 more pairs. To multiply the first pair, x plus 1 in parentheses by x minus 1 in parentheses, I'm going to apply the identity a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. The variable x corresponds to the a in the identity. The number 1 corresponds to the b in the identity. And when I use the identity and apply it to solve this exercise, I get x squared minus 1 squared, which equals to x squared minus 1. For the next exercise, I'm going to multiply y minus 2 in parentheses by y plus 2 in parentheses. For that, I'm going to use the identity a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses, which equals to a squared minus b squared. When I apply it, this equals to y squared minus 2 squared, or this equals to y squared minus 4. I'm going to continue with the same approach and to solve the other two exercises. Z plus 3 in parentheses multiplied by z minus 3 in parentheses. I'm going to apply the identity, and when I do that, this equals to z squared minus 3 squared, or this equals to z squared minus 9. For the next exercise, a minus 4 in parentheses, a plus 4 in parentheses. Again, when I apply the identity, I get a squared minus 4 squared, or this equals to a squared minus 16. Multiply b plus 5 in parentheses by b minus 5 in parentheses. When I apply the identity, this equals to b squared minus 5 squared, or this equals to b squared minus 25. C minus 6 in parentheses multiplied by c plus 6 equals to c squared minus 6 squared equals to c squared minus 36. Next, I'm going to multiply 6 more pairs of binomials displayed on the screen. Multiply 7 plus x in parentheses by 7 minus x in parentheses. Again, the approach is similar to the previous exercises. I'm going to apply the identity a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. In this case, the number 7 corresponds to the a in the formula, and the x corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the identity, I get 7 squared minus x squared, which equals to 49 minus x squared. Next, I'm going to multiply 8 minus y and 8 plus y. When I apply the identity, I get 8 squared minus y squared, or this equals to 64 minus y squared. Next, I have 9 minus z in parentheses multiplied by 9 plus z in parentheses. When I apply the identity, I get 9 squared minus z squared, which equals to 81 minus z squared. Next, I have 10 plus a in parentheses multiplied by 10 minus a in parentheses. Again, when I apply the identity, I get 10 squared minus a squared. This equals to 100 minus a squared. And the last two exercises, I have 11 minus b in parentheses multiplied by 11 plus b in parentheses. Again, when I apply the identity, I have 11 squared minus b squared equals to 121 minus b squared. And the last example is 12 plus c in parentheses multiplied by 12 minus c in parentheses. It equals to 12 squared minus c squared, which equals to 144 minus c squared. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.